Today is Wednesday, May 11th or 12th, and this is a 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Last date of the VIN 8U050566. Mileage 58,653. And I'm making this video to document problem with the turbocharger. I have removed the intake components which lie between the turbo and air filter, or from the air filter back to the turbo. And the problem is that the compressor wheel of the turbocharger is making contact with its housing due to excessive play. So I will now demonstrate the issue. So here we have the compressor wheel. We do have some play, and when we turn it, noise can be heard from the contact. And there's also scuffing inside of the housing from the contact.